All right, if you're buying a house this year and you don't know what the f it means to be in the attorney review portion, this video is gonna explain everything. Once your offer is executed by both you and the seller, you're officially in attorney review. What this means is, over the next 5 business days, you have to hire an attorney and schedule an inspection of the property. The inspection is one of the most important parts of this deal. You're gonna want to attend the inspection. It could take anywhere from an hour to 3+ hours depending on the property. Your inspector is gonna go through the entire property from top to bottom and point out any red flags. You're then going to receive a long, detailed report with a lot of red font, so don't freak out. We will point out if there are any serious issues with the property, and if you choose to, you can always walk away. You're gonna review that inspection report with us and tell your attorney if there are any repairs or credits you want to ask the seller. Your attorney is gonna draft a letter to their side saying we want X amount credited or we want the seller to repair X, Y, and Z. The seller can either choose to accept the terms, counter the terms, or say no. Again, you're still protected during this time and you can always back out if you need to. Your attorney is going to get all the documents for the building, the HOA, the management, the budget, meeting minutes, everything you need to know about the building and the building's status. So you're not gonna purchase something that is in tons of debt or there's a special assessment coming up. Your attorney will see all these things and tell you if it looks healthy or not. Once you and the seller agree to the terms, you're gonna sign off and you're officially out of the attorney review. You're then gonna submit the remaining portion of the earnest money agreed to in the contract. I hope this video helped answer some questions you had about attorney review. Click like and subscribe. We'll make more of these videos educating you on purchasing a home.